This video is about design science in information systems and computing, and it's tailor-made for the ECTA 2022 presentation. Research is guided by a specific research problem, question, or hypothesis. Martin Smith stated that natural science is comprised of two distinct activities, discovery and justification. This is the case in research domains such as physics, biology, social sciences, and behavioral sciences. However, the focus on this research is on artifacts, constructs, and other artificial concepts. It is commonly referred as design science. In the present study, we have three main objectives: to identify the research topics within information systems and computation, with uses in design science research, to confront the concept of design science and other concepts, and to propose a tool that helps academia and industry understand design science. We have selected a set of studies that apply design science in information systems, computer science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. By looking into these applications, we see a prevalence of the information systems research field. However, other clusters also emerged, namely papers regarding solutions in intelligent systems, security systems, action research, software development, sustainable solutions, and new business models. Only after 2018 do design science appears in literature related to blockchain, machine learning, Industry 4.0, chatbots, and digital transformation. And so now let's define design science. And this is a methodological approach mainly focused on answering questions like: how can we develop this? Does it work? Is it an improvement? The fields of management science, computer science, information systems, architecture, engineering, urban planning, operation research all emphasize design as an essential activity. The more traditional branches of science cannot function without including design activities. Design science attempts to create things that serve individual or organizational purposes. It's a technology-oriented and evaluates products based on characteristics such as value, utility, building, and development criteria. Design science is a research paradigm that sees justified theory and effective artifacts as two sides of the same coin. Design science is not an artifact. Artifacts as a result of an output in design science. It is also not only defined by the artifact. It is also important to disambiguate design science from action research, as these two concepts lead to different outcomes. Action research is centered on discovery through action, and it is a methodology. Participatory design is not design science either. It's distinguished from design science. That is a participatory design, which entails individual participation. And lastly, it's very important to distinguish design science from natural science. The first is focused on designing a solution based on strong technical foundations. The latter is focused on observing and understanding a reality. Based on the established definitions, we propose a methodology with objectives, approach, methods, and outcomes to correctly perform design science research. Phase 1. Researchers define a research problem and justify the value of a solution. The well-defined problem can be used to develop an effective artifact. Justifying the value motivates the researcher to pursue the solution and accept the result. Phase 2. The researcher infers the objective of a solution from the problem definition. Phase 3. In this activity, the researcher creates the artifact, such as a construct, model, method, or new property of a technical, social, or informational resource. Phase 4 is the demonstration of the artifact usage to solve one or more instances of the problem. In Phase 5, the researcher observes and measures how well the artifact supports the solution of the problem. He compares the objectives of the solution to the actual observed results from the use of the artifact in the demonstration. Depending on the outcome, the researcher may return to Phase 3. Lastly, in Phase 6, the researcher communicates the problem and its importance, the artifact, its utility and novelty, the rigor of its design and its effectiveness to researchers and other relevant audiences. In conclusion, design science is related to artificial intelligence, industry applications, research methodologies, engineering, sustainability, and new business models. Not only is design science part of the body of knowledge about technology, but it also influences new theoretical approaches to natural sciences. Thank you for your time.